Introducing the JCB Toughphone Max, the ultimate rugged companion for those who work in demanding environments. Designed by JCB, a renowned manufacturer of heavy machinery, this rugged mobile device is built to withstand the toughest conditions while providing reliable communication. With its robust construction, military-grade durability, and impressive resistance to water, dust, shocks, and extreme temperatures, the Toughphone Max is the go-to choice for professionals in industries like construction, engineering, and outdoor exploration. This phone's most flagship feature is the immense 12,200 mAh battery that delivers over 3 days of usage and 30 days on standby. With this impressive capacity, you can rely on the Toughphone Max to power through your demanding workdays without constantly worrying about running out of battery, ensuring your communication stays uninterrupted. The device runs Android 12 with a 6.67-inch Full HD display. It has a waterproof and dustproof rating of IP68 and complies with mil-spec 810G standard. The JCB Toughphone Max boasts a versatile camera setup featuring a combination of 4 different lenses. The primary lens is an impressive 48 megapixel sensor capable of capturing highly detailed and vibrant images. Alongside it is a 16 megapixel lens that offers a wider field of view, perfect for capturing landscapes or group shots. Additionally, the device includes a 2 megapixel lens for depth sensing, enabling stunning portrait shots. Lastly, a 0.3 megapixel lens is included, which may be used for specific functionalities, such as macro photography or capturing additional depth information. A dedicated push-to-talk button allows for customization and ensures you can communicate with work colleagues in the field. It's dual SIM compatible and with 5G technology offering fast data speeds, lower latency and increased network capacity. The MediaTek octa-core processor and 8GB of RAM offer all the performance you need to use the latest apps. And there is plenty of space for all your content with the 256GB of internal storage. In conclusion, the JCB Toughphone Max stands out not only for its ruggedness, but also for its groundbreaking 12,200 mAh battery. The extensive capacity sets a new standard in the realm of rugged smartphones, offering increased usage and eliminating concerns about running out of power. With the Toughphone Max's large battery, you can confidently tackle your demanding workdays, stay connected, and even venture into remote locations without the need for frequent charging. Available to purchase now at the Clove Technology website.